Good morning, everybody. Today is on the 16th of June. Look at what we did on Friday. We were looking for buys above this point, above over here, and we got the buys going all the way, pushed, consolidated for quite a while, and then finally pushed up. We had a very nice activation from take profit 1 to 2 all the way to 3 and broke above, went even surpassed even the areas that we are thinking the market will go to. Uh, Went all the way to 34.51. 34.51. We were right there. Still hasn't gone to the highest. The highest was 3,500, but we're still at 34.51. So right now we are at 34.24. So let's see what we have in terms of fundamentals today or this week. We have nothing for today. Today, nothing much on the dollar. Tomorrow, on the JPY, we have the BOJ policy rates, monetary policy, BOJ press conference will be happening. On the dollar, we'll be having the core retail sales, the retail sales monthly report. On Wednesday, we'll be having the CPI on the GBP. It's gonna be a yearly report. On the same Wednesday, 3:30 p.m. on the dollar, we're gonna be having the unemployment claims. On the same Wednesday, 6:15, we're gonna be having hold on. 5:15, sorry, we're gonna be having the same BOC, the Bank of Canada governor will be speaking. Macklem will be giving a speech at 6:15. The same day, Wednesday, it's quite a busy day. 9 p.m., the FOMC statement is going to be coming out, the press conference, the fund rates, everything's going to be happening at 9 p.m. on Wednesday, June the 18th. That's one of the major days this week. Thursday, you have the GDP on the NZD coming up to start up the day. The day. Then we have the AUD unemployment rate change and unemployment rate coming up. The CHF will be having the S&B monetary policy, the Swiss National Bank, and also some of the monetary policies assessments coming out on the same, and the press conference following up. Thursday, the same Thursday, we're going to be having the monetary policy on the GBP, the MPC, and the official bank rates coming out. It's going to be a holiday for the dollar. Oh, it's gonna be a holiday for the dollar. Which holiday is this? Just check. US Bank will be closing on Juneteenth. Oh, the Juneteenth National Independence Day. Okay. It's gonna be happening on the 19th of June. Then fast forward Friday, June 20th, it's gonna be having the GBP, the JPY, Governor Ueda will be gonna be speaking. And yep, like that. Next Monday is gonna be a great one. All right, good. So majorly this day we are looking at Wednesday and Thursday as a fulfilled, and Thursday is on the dollar. It's a holiday actually, so the other currency going to be having high impact news. But on Wednesday we have the FOMC. That's good to note. So we're gonna go and do a quick analysis like we always do at this time. What we do is we do price action based on market structure. We just use support and resistance level to look for breakout areas so that we can do breakout trading. It's as simple as that. Simple as it sounds, right? It sounds simple, right? It's easy. Easy peasy. It's easy peasy. All right, so we have monthly high still over there, the April candle. Monthly low still over there, the April candle. Onto the weekly. I presume by now, yes, we are right at the point right now. We are right at the area where we need the candle to break above previous week's high. Good. We're making a new high. This is good. First of all, finally the market is moving. All right. Daily, we have this low over here. Gonna call this a daily low. The high is still on the same point where the candle is over there. That's still the highs. Ain't changing nothing. 4 hours. Here he is. Right? We're standing at that bit. Of course, I'm not gonna ignore this. And of course, I'm not gonna ignore this as well. And going up is a bit tricky because we don't even know. Okay, let's see. Let's wait. 1 hour. 1 hour, put it over there. Low over here. And moving. 30 minutes, same, coming. 15 minutes, same. All right, good. Oh, doesn't really look good, honestly. This market doesn't really look appetizing. The gold market is not really appetizing. So you may want to do, if you're so much pressed of this order, you could take maybe an aggressive entry from this point, sells, try to push it down. But then I doubt, because we have this area over here of rejection. Um, Honestly, right now, I don't have any order to give. I will only say this. Remember what we say. You don't have to trade daily. You don't have to chase. Don't force the market to act how you want it. So I'm going to be looking for buys above this point. Yep, I'm going to be looking for buys above that point. I'm going to be looking also for potential sells below here. Potential sells also can enter there. Now, again, I'm repeating again, this is not very good, but it's an aggressive. So I'm not going to take it personally. But I know over here there are people that follow me and they're a bit more risk. They can take more risk than I can do. So aggressive sells. They're gonna be potential as well, yeah. Honestly, I'm not gonna take that. I don't want to be forcing the market to do things that it ain't planned to do. All right, so should we break above that point, we may have some very clear moves over here all the way to this point. Yeah, now this is something worth waiting. You see, this movement is something worth waiting. I don't have to force the market and then lose money, but I can wait for this one and actually make a kill out of this market. So no need for me to force issues. I'm not gonna force issues. What I'm gonna do is, if I'm taking sales, I'm taking them all the way to bring them down here. Okay. All right, so let's get it straight. What do we have? Let's get this straight. All right, move, man. Move. My mouse is not moving. Okay. Yeah, over there. Uh-huh. Move. Oh boy. Now I'm gonna move it. Good. Sorry, yeah. Okay. Look at this. So potential buys above this point, and you should break and go all the way to 49.95. Then potential sales below this point, and we continue going down. Over here where the market is, to me, it's a no trade range. Honestly, that's a no trade range for me. Okay. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what I'm gonna keep your eyes on the market. Let's see what the market's gonna behave like today. Good luck to everybody. Risk manage your account well. Trade what you see, not what you think. And let's meet here tomorrow and you do this review. Okay? Have a good one and bye-bye. Happy New Week. Bye.